Warner Brothers, guys, we got a new amended proxy. Why am I mentioning that? It was filed this morning around 8:30. Because the timeline is moving quickly here on Warner Brothers Discovery and that shareholder vote that is the center, of course, of what are still Paramount's hopes to get current Warner Brothers Discovery shareholders to vote down the Netflix deal. By the way, you're not voting on a Paramount deal. You're just simply going to be voting on a Netflix deal, up or down. That vote is coming closer, and in fact, maybe as soon as, let's call it, the first couple of weeks of March. Why? Well, because of this process I just mentioned in terms of first you file a preliminary proxy, then you get that back, then you file a final proxy, and that could be as soon as next week, where we are right now. And if you get a final proxy out next week, and they certify compliance, I should say the SEC certifies compliance and everything else, then you can get a vote, as I said, as soon as, let's call it, second week of March. It's coming. And that is going to call the question for Paramount and its backers, the Ellison family, Redbird, any number of other significant investors, as to whether they want to try to raise their current bid for the company from the $30 all-cash offer for the entire company that's in place now, or simply go to this vote as is. Now, the hope on the Paramount side, I think, continues to be that they will also certify compliance with HSR. They will essentially get the antitrust sign-off here in the U.S. prior to the vote. Not sure if that will happen. It would be seen certainly as a positive word to happen, because you say on one side, hey, we've already got regulatory certainty here. Now, not in Europe, not by the state AGs who may come to play here, but nonetheless, it could be seen as important. But really, what I'm trying to figure out from the Paramount camp, as you might imagine, is, are you going to raise or not?
Right.
And that continues to be a question to which I get different answers. They have made 7+ bids at this point. Will they really choose to come back yet again? If they do, what do you expect Netflix's response to be? Because I don't think they're just going to say, okay, thank you, it's yours. And so they might come back if you were to come up. They also need to, by the way, provide more transparency and certainty around that break fee of $2.8 billion. Remember all of those issues as well. Paramount can do that. Larry Ellison can choose to do it. But again, the key question is, will they? And one thing I can tell you now is we're going to get a record date soon. It could even be, I don't know, but it could be backdated. And we're going to get a vote. And so if you're Paramount, you've got to act soon. You can't wait very long for that to answer this question as to whether you're going to try to raise again. And so we will see at least some more certainty in terms of who the ultimate winner will be here if they choose certainly not to come back, because I believe many think that then Warner Brothers shareholders will choose to accept the Netflix deal, although Paramount will make its arguments as to why that shouldn't be the case.